This is Hillery of Saoset at the Saoset demo farm. Hillery, what can you tell us about this demo farm?
Okay, what I can say, we want to compare our conventional way of planting coffee and the newest method, and I can demonstrate by showing you the actual height which has come from the newest way of planting coffee. As you can see, our newest way, the coffee is about 1 feet, but our normal way of planting coffee has resulted in a stunt growth. Just compare the two. Our newest way is about 1 feet, but this coffee here was planted 4 months ago and it has stunted. Not because the soil is bad, but because the method which was used is not the best way. Now just see. This one is about 1 feet, and that is only 2 months. In 3 months' time, maybe this coffee will start flowering.
Sorry. We are in Rogony's farm, Saoset. Mzee Rogony, tell us which mbolea, ulitumia mbolea gani?
Farm manure.
And?
Na ile mbolea nini ya makada ya nini kahawa.
Yes, Hillery, yes, can you explain that?
Mr Rogoniy'sfarm farm has been using organic fertilizer or organic manure, and the previous year he used animal manure, and this year he used coffee husk to add to the soil to fertilize the soil.
What do you see? What was your observation when you use the organic manure in 1 minute, please?
And as we can clearly see, the yield, which has been resulted by adding up the manure, is very high. And this one branch here can actually represent about 1 to 2 kilos of coffee.
I am at the Saoset Coffee Factory. The manager is Hillery, who is one of our trainees. He has something to say about the coffee being received at the factory of Saoset. Welcome, Hillery.
Okay, thank you so much. This season, we are projecting to harvest more, and to exhibit that, we have added more beds, drying beds, so that to enhance us to actually carry the capacity which we are expecting. At least 1 bed or 2 will accommodate about 5,000 to 10,000 kgs, that is 10 tons. And that is a good projection because all this is courtesy of the new techniques which we are now trying to implement. And even though it was a bit late, but their results are at least being captured by the new beds, because our project is we are expecting about 10 tons and above this year.